Have you ever faced challenges while growing fruits and vegetables indoors? If so, you're not alone. Today we'll delve into some common difficulties that indoor gardeners face and explore practical solutions to overcome them. First on our list is light, or rather the lack of it. Plants need light to photosynthesize and produce food. In an indoor setting, achieving the right light levels can be tricky. You might find your leafy greens wilting or your tomato plants failing to bear fruit. The solution to this issue: artificial light. Consider investing in full-spectrum grow lights. These mimic the sun's natural light and can provide your plants with the light they need to thrive. Next, let's talk about humidity. Many indoor environments lack the moisture that plants crave. A dry environment can lead to the browning of leaf tips and slow growth. To rectify this problem, consider using a humidifier in your indoor garden area. Alternatively, you could place a tray of water near your plants. As the water evaporates, it will increase the humidity around your plants. Temperature is another critical factor. Indoor environments often fluctuate in temperature due to heating or cooling systems. Some plants prefer cooler temperatures, while others thrive in warmth. To ensure your plants are comfortable, research their ideal temperature range and try to maintain it. You may need to move plants around your home to find the best spot or invest in a small greenhouse. Watering is a challenge that even the most experienced gardeners can struggle with. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause plants to wilt and die. The key is to understand the watering needs of each type of plant you're growing. For example, succulents need less water than leafy greens. Use your finger to test the soil moisture level. If it's dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Lastly, pests can be a major problem for indoor gardeners. Without natural predators, pests like aphids and spider mites can quickly take over your indoor garden. Regularly checking your plants for signs of pests can help catch infestations early. Non-toxic pest control methods such as neem oil or insecticidal soap can be effective in managing these unwanted guests. In summary, indoor gardening can pose several challenges, from lighting and humidity issues to temperature fluctuations, watering woes, and pest problems. However, by understanding these challenges and implementing effective solutions, you can enjoy a thriving indoor garden. Use artificial light to supplement natural light, maintain optimal humidity and temperature, understand the watering needs of your plants, and keep an eye out for pests. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, both for you and your plants. Happy gardening!